Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner. Want to walk you through how to go about setting your screen brightness to 100% with just a press of a button. If you haven't seen my videos regarding how to set up a shortcut for both shutting down and restarting your iPad, check it out up here. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have the Shortcuts app installed on your iPad or iPhone. If you don't have this already installed, you can get this through the App Store. So we're going to go ahead and tap here, and you're going to be brought to a home screen like this. Go ahead and click the little plus sign next to Select in the upper right hand corner, and we're going to set brightness. I'm going to type in brightness, and then you see an option that says Set Brightness. Go ahead and click on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to set this to 100%. Perfect. Now all we need to do is add this to our home screen. So we're going to go ahead and click the little share icon. And we're going to go ahead and click Add to Home Screen. We're going to give it a name. So I'm going to say brightness 100%. Perfect. We're going to give it a change the icon to a little bright icon, and then I'm going to type in sun here to give it like a little light icon. And we're going to go ahead and click Add. And now if I press this, it's going to set my screen to automatically 100%. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content or want to support this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.